Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over a 2019 Rockwood 1640 ESP. We're going to start off on the inside and we'll finish up going over the exterior. Follow me. All right, come on in. The Rockwood 1640 is the smallest tent trailer we carry. Here we've got a nice sized bed. This is the front of the trailer. And in the back we've just got a little guy here. Both mattresses are heated. We've got a nice little couch here. Does come with a table leg and a table. We've got our sink over here. Down below we've got our refrigerator here, which is locked. There we go. Over here we've got our little media player. We've got a thermostat down below that, and then we've got a 110 outlet here. So down below the couch we've got our 110, a USB port, our fuse box, little speaker. Across from that we've got our heater here, and then we've got lots of drawers. Nice for the silverware. And then a little cabinet here. So good storage. These are just for the batteries out front. We've got our stove here. It's a 2-burner stove. This stove can also be mounted on the outside and used. It's got a little hose here for LP where you can connect outside, and I'll show you where that is as well. That focuses on all the stuff on the interior real quick. We'll go outside and finish up. Okay folks, out here on this bracket, this is exactly where that propane stove will mount. You can also use a table that will mount out here. And the stove will run off this propane right here and stow away when you don't need it. Outside speaker, more 110 power if you want to plug in anything outside here. This is an exhaust for the LP furnace. It does get hot, so keep that in mind. Probably let any little ones and anybody know not to touch that. We've got stabilizers here in the back with these big tires for clearance. That's what the ESP package comes with. We've also got this toy lock, which is really popular. Great way to lock up bicycles, an expensive Yeti cooler, generator, anything like that. It just protects your possessions. As we come around here to the other side, here this is our power cord. So our 30 amp power cord right here. It just pulls right out and plugs in when you're going to be staying in a park. This is if you had AC in here, you would use your power for it through this port. This is where your water for dry camping will go. So if you're going to go out and camp, you'll fill it up right here. And if you're staying in a park, you'll use this port right here. And we do provide a drinking hose, a sewer hose. We provide a customer care kit, which comes with all those things you need when you get out and go camping. This is the back of the fridge here. This is your front stabilizer. So the back ones are down, and that really helps stabilize this trailer. But you've got 2 more in the front, plus your front tongue. So you're really stable once you've chocked the wheels and got all your stabilizers down. Outside shower or hose here, great for spraying off any dirty kids or pets. Pretty nice that it comes with that. This is your gray water for your dump. So there is no toilet in here. So this is going to be the only place where water will come out of it. You have no holding tank. So it'll just dump out of this. You'll want to catch that in a bucket or a basin and dump that at an appropriate dump station. Up front here, that's where your battery will go. We've got our 2 propane tanks. This does raise and lower down electrically, so we have a lift here. And then to take it on and off the truck, it's a manual jack. So again, I want to thank you guys for checking out this video with me. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Again, it's a 2019 Forest River Rockwood. Thank you very much for your guys' time. Have a great day.